Hi guys, kaka-kising ko lang or hi guys, I just woke up and I'll do my morning routine. Like, wow. Hello to my house that I used to do the house tour. Okay, so we're gonna go. What do you call it again? Brush my teeth. That's what I always do. Here. So, gonna take kinda long, okay? So, might wait until I'm done. Just gonna be second. Okay guys, I'm done. I don't know about my brother, but he keep hiding my slippers. Yes, he keep hiding it. So, first I do was brush my hair. Okay. Yes, brush my hair. I want to cut my hair. This is like a voice reveal or face reveal. Been a long time I videoed. Ow. Yeah, it's been a long time. So long that yeah. I would not obviously like it. So I don't like the videos that I used on my body. I like the band made a mistake. Bella made a mistake. It's so good. I like this button. And then mine is Naka, and my other videos is errors. I don't know why. Let's just keep going. Okay guys. Try my hair like this first. So my hair checking, but I'm not doing it this way. So let's go. No, it made that. Okay, let's open this. Oh my god, there's no more cups. Oh my dear. Mama mia. Yes. Yes, mommy. This is my mom's phone, guys. I actually have an iPad. Oh my god, I remember those photos. Let's reach to 1 million subscribers and now I'll turn these on. These are my recognition. I tried so hard. And then I had one, and then I had with highest honors and with highest mountain top one. I gotta hit honors. See for siblings. Yeah.